I want to get into the two most common errors I make whenever I'm using wxMaxima. The first one I want to get into is wxMaxima does not understand implicit multiplication. So I'm going to show you what I mean here. I'm going to select this formula that I copied from my granddaughter's worksheet, and I'm just going to paste it in here just to let you see it. Now, human minds can say, okay, I see a -2 next to a parent. The human mind says we multiply this -2 times this factor right here, 2f minus 4, which would give us -4f plus 8. wxMaxima is a program, and it doesn't know that when a number is next to a variable like this that you multiply. So you have to tell it. I forget this all the time, and I get this nasty error. So I'm going to show you what the error looks like when you forget that wxMaxima is a program. So I'm going to paste in the formula just like, and I'm going to solve for f here, and I'm going to click OK. And this nasty error comes up, syntax error. And what that tells me is that I forgot to eliminate all the implicit multiplications in this formula. So I'm going to select that and delete it out. And we're going to come back to solve. And we're going to paste this formula back in. And we have an implicit multiplication here. And we also have an implicit multiplication here, because the human mind says multiply 2 times f. wxMaxima doesn't know that, so we have to tell it. And we have an implicit multiplication here. And let's try and make this an f. And that looks a lot better. See, we had no rat replacements, and we just get a straight answer. If you don't get a straight answer here, either the problem is insolvable or you made a mistake. So that's the most common error I personally make, and I'm still struggling with it. The second most common error I make is this one right here. So I'm going to come back to solve. And I'm going to paste my formula in, and I'm going to fix all the implicit errors. And I got to put times there, 2 times f, and I got to put another times here, 4 times the quantity f minus f plus 2. And I'm going to leave this variable x. I don't look up here and see I'm solving for f, not x. Watch what happens. I get this error. I get nothing. It says it's unsolvable. Well, we've already proved this particular equation is solvable. So let's take this and delete it out. And we'll delete this out for the fun of it. And now then we're going to solve. Paste this formula. Paste the formula back in. Fix all of the implicit multiplications. We have one here. And we have one here, and we have one here. Make sure you look at this line and change this value down here to the variable you're solving for. And we're going to change that to an f, and boom, that solves it. So if you get one of those funny errors, chances are you probably made one of these two errors I just demonstrated.